Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing what happens in the tragic event of losing one's American citizen spouse while undergoing the marriage visa process or processing of a marriage visa to the United States. To quote directly from uscis.gov, if you were married to a U.S. citizen who had filed Form I-130 petition for alien relative for you before he or she died, you do not need to file anything. The Form I-130 will be automatically converted to a Form I-360, petition for Amerasian, widower, or special immigrant. If you have children unmarried and under age 21, they may be included in the Form I-360 regardless of whether your deceased spouse had filed a petition for them. To qualify, you must not have been divorced or legally separated from the U.S. citizen at the time of death. Your eligibility to immigrate as a widow or widower ends if you have remarried. So, in the past, there was, unfortunately, the law did not catch up to kind of a little hitch in the law that actually resulted in a circuit fight and a circuit conflict in the federal court system in the United States regarding widows and widowers of U.S. citizens. In the specific context of adjustment of status, there was actually a case which was brought up in my native Kansas that brought its way all the way up to the circuit court level, and there was also one out in California where there were two totally different interpretations of the law. Basically, one circuit court stating, yes, widows and widowers would just process through as if they, the citizen was basically still alive. And the other court said, no, it ends. It sort of extinguishes at the moment of that citizen's death. Congress came in, they sort of reoriented all this. We now have the I-360. So as of the time of this filming, at least, one can go ahead and file for immigration benefits. Even if one hasn't filed yet, one can actually file, notwithstanding the fact that an American citizen spouse passed away. There's another video on this channel specific to that topic. But the thing to take note of in this video is if one has a pending I-130 that's going through the system and the American spouse dies, that is not a deal killer. That does not end the process. As noted by USCIS itself, it simply converts the matter into an I-360 and converts from there. But one thing to take note of, as noted by USCIS, remarriage will cause an extinguishing of the matter. So one should never make decisions with respect to immigration benefits, or one should never make decisions with respect to their life and their lifestyle choices simply for the purpose of getting, maintaining, or renewing immigration benefits. But it is something to keep note of, that is a factor that will extinguish this process if one does get remarried. So again, the thing to take away from this video, if one's American citizen spouse passes away, as tragic as that is while the process is ongoing, one's benefits do not simply extinguish by dint of that fact, and in fact, the matter will be converted into an I-360 and processed further.